1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey baby, tell me your name. I got a fever for you, I just can't explain. But there's just one problem, I'm in middle school. When you come to loving, I ain't chasing you. I ain't chasing you. Hey, waiting, I'm on a roll. You got to let yourself go. You know that I'll be before you. Waiting for you. Don't let me sitting all by myself. All by myself. Cause I ain't looking at no one else. Looking at no one else. Looking at no one else. Hey, get you back off the wall. Don't you get comfortable. Looking so hot, I think that I might fall. Feel like it's my birthday, like Christmas Day came early. Just when I want to win. When you move. Hey, get you back off the wall. Don't you get comfortable. Looking so hot, I think that I might fall. Feel like it's my birthday, like Christmas Day came early. Just when I want to win. You move. Yeah, it's Kura Kura. When Kura Kura's in the house, you better show respect. Don't treat me like a kid, cause I got intellect. I select the vocab that you don't expect, and the rhymes you see I reject cause they're suspect. So I suggest you pass me the mic, cause you'll always be last in this fight. When I kick lyrics faster than light, I shine up like stars in the night, I rap tight. Whoa, you know that I'll be before you. Don't let me sitting all by myself. All by myself. Cause I ain't looking at no one else. Looking at no one else. Looking at no one else. Hey, get your back off the wall. Don't you get comfortable. Looking so hot, I think that I feel like it's my birthday, like Christmas Day came early. Just when I want to win, you move. I just wanna, but you can't, cause you gotta stay cool. You're the kind of one that chooses that you wanna move. So move it, baby. I bet you wanna, but you can't, cause you gotta stay cool. You're the kind of one that chooses that you wanna move. So move it, baby. Oh, you know that I've been waiting for you. Don't let me stand all by myself. All by myself. Cause I ain't looking at no one else. Looking at no one else. Looking at no one else.
And just to say, that last part, I didn't even know about it. He just threw it in. These guys are amazing. All right, so that's the one example of the type of stuff we do at Mini Hardcore. But like I said, we do take classic songs and we do mix them up. So does anyone here know Deck the Halls? Yeah. A few of everyone else is like, jingle bells? So now we're going to do a song called Deck the Halls, but we've done a little change to it again. So I hope you enjoy this. This is the second song from Mini Hardcore. And yeah, take a sec. Right. Got that there? You feel comfortable? You feel good? She's going to come forward on her rap and then she's going to step forward so we kind of go, woo.
Shall I, like, with the fa la 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 la, shall I maybe, like, do a tiny bit on that?
Deck the Halls,
like, add a bit, because I'm not doing that.
Nope.
Yeah, that's right. Like, literally, you can do the rap parts. You can, like, hype if you want, or you can do some fa la las. So do whatever you want. But then when your rap comes, remember, that's your hype. Okay, so Deck the Halls with Boughs of Holly. Let's go. Girls ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don't we now carry a barrel? See chorus, chorus, chorus. La 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. La 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 la. What will I tell of you, tiny treasure? La 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 la. I've got your attention, listen closely. I never chose to rhyme, rhyming chose me. Cause I'm destined to be the one and only, to bring hip-hop back where it's supposed to be. And that's vocally manipulating poetry, so you can see what it's really like to be me. I gotta be me. La 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 la.
1, 2, 3, let's take a bow.